Hey everybody, welcome back to the kitchen for another episode of What's Cooking with the Bear. Today I'm going to show you what I do with some leftover roast beef. Pretty good, pretty tasty. So sit back, relax, and I'll show you what we got cooking. Alright y'all, here's what we got going on. I got me some leftover roast beef here. Got some biscuits. And got some cream of mushroom soup. What I'm going to do is I'm going to chop up some of this roast beef, put it in a little frying pan with a little bit of butter, get it kind of warmed up and kind of shredded. We're going to add it to that cream of mushroom soup while these biscuits are baking, and then we're going to have cream roast beef over biscuits. So don't knock it till you try it. Pretty good stuff. So I'm going to get cooking. We'll bring you back here when we get a little bit more going on. Alright y'all, got my beef starting to cook over here, and I got this all chopped up here. Got some butter here. Got my soup starting to warm up. Now I don't add any milk or anything to that because I want it nice and thick, but if you want to add a little bit of milk to thin it out a little bit, that's on you. But this is how I do it. So got that butter melting there. I just need to find me a spatula flipper flopper thing there, dude, and I'll get that going. So just wanted to kind of update you on what's going on. Alright y'all, I got most of this all browned up. It's mostly warm. So I got this one here going, so I'm going to transfer this into that mushroom soup. And I'm going to add more beef to this pan here. And I might have to get another can of soup out to take up for all this beef I'm warming up. But it'll be alright. It'll get eaten. So and I might throw it all in there. What the heck? Throw it all in there, and we'll even add the droppings there. Looks like I might need a little bit more butter, so I'll throw a little bit more butter in there. All right, here we have it. Let me get this batch here warmed up. We'll get it added to that, and we'll bring y'all back. All right, y'all. You can see here I did add an extra can of soup to this. My pot almost runneth over, but she's warming up now. So starting to bubble. She's about ready. My biscuits got about 2 more minutes, and we'll be ready to eat. So bring y'all back whenever the biscuits are done and we're ready to plate this up. Alright y'all, there you have it. My roast beef, yeah. Alright y'all, there you have it. My roast beef and gravy biscuits. Y'all need to try this. So, it's good stuff. And beverage of the day, Sprite cranberry. It's the last bottle the store had. I'm going to miss it until next year, but you'll have that. So anyways, thank you all for watching. Hope you enjoyed this. Hope you're going to try it. If you do, let me know. Let me know down in the comments what you think of it. So appreciate you all watching. Catch you all on the next one. Oh, Sunday live streams. Don't forget about them, 7 p.m. Eastern time. Come on in, hang out. We have a really good time. So, anyways, thank you all for watching again. And you know all the things to do and blah, blah, blah. So, thanks. Catch you later. Oh, bear appetit. Man, I'm having a heck of a day.